Hey everyone, welcome to the FastAPI series. In this series, we are going to cover everything that you should know about FastAPI, and this is the very first video of this series where we are going to learn what is FastAPI. In this video, we are going to cover the following topics where first we will understand what is FastAPI, then we will cover why is FastAPI so popular, then we will try to cover some real world use cases, and at last we will cover why you should learn FastAPI. So without any further delay, let's get started with our first topic. Now if you are wondering what is FastAPI, FastAPI is a modern high performance web framework developed in Python, and it's built on top of ASGI, which is Asynchronous Server Gateway Interface. It uses type hints and gives you automatic documentation. So it offers extensive features. Let's try to cover some of the popular features as well. FastAPI is one of the fastest Python frameworks because it uses asynchronous under the hood. The moment you create an API, FastAPI helps in automatic documentation, and this automatic documentation is usually created using Swagger, and it also uses redocs. You can find the automatic generated documents under docs and redoc path that we are going to discuss in our further videos. Then FastAPI uses type hint based request response validation, means fewer bugs and cleaner code. So now that we have covered some of the basic features about FastAPI, let's cover some of the real world use cases. Now FastAPI has been utilized in ML model development. It is also utilized in high performance microservices, and it is highly usable in backend for mobile and web apps. It is also utilized as internal tools and dashboards, and many companies like Netflix, Uber and Microsoft are already using FastAPI in their production applications. So now that we have covered some of the basic information about FastAPI, and if you are still wondering whether you should learn FastAPI or not, here is a quick answer. So if you are a Python developer, FastAPI gives you speed, async support and a clean code structure. It's perfect for interviews, projects, freelancing and even backend jobs. So if you want to learn FastAPI, hit that subscribe button, because in the next video we will show you how to install FastAPI and run your first API in just 2 minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you in the next one.